Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For all my new subscribers, thank you very much for stopping by to watch my video, and for my returning subscriber, thank you very much. Take nothing for granted. I appreciate you all. Without further ado, today I will be preparing some fried chicken and cassava salad. Yes, cassava salad. Let's get started. I seasoned this chicken from overnight merely because I want it to be very tasty, so I seasoned from overnight. Firstly, because the chicken is already seasoned, I will just light the stove to get my oil heated. Then I will get some flour in the bowl, maybe 2 cups of flour. To this amount of flour, it's just like 2 cups of flour, so I will use 2 teaspoons of baking powder. I'll just give it a stir just to incorporate everything evenly. Now I will season the flour with some all-purpose seasoning. I put these seasoning on the chicken as well, so I will just use some chicken seasoning and all-purpose seasoning. I did use meat seasoning as well, but because I don't want the chicken to be salty, I would put less in the flour. Doing so, guys, by seasoning the flour, it allows your chicken to be more flavorful, more tasty. Now I am going to crack 3 eggs, and I will be using the egg white only. Oh, that egg looks so soft. So now, guys, I will just whisk the egg to allow air to go in, and also to get it lighter so it can spread evenly over the chicken. See how fluffy it gets? I'll just take the chicken from the bag. When I season my chicken and set it in the fridge, I try to do like the thigh in the bottom of the bag or in the bowl, because it is a thicker piece of meat, so this way the season will penetrate the thicker pieces first, or better. So first I will drench them in the egg, and then the flour. And the oil is already heated, so it's hot. Now I will add the chicken. I just give it a shake to shake off the excess flour. So guys, I will multitask right now. I need 3 eggs for the salad, so I will just put the 3 eggs to boil while the chicken is frying. Now I will start peeling my cassava. So I'll just take the top off. Oh my god, not even looking so fresh and nice. So the best way to peel your cassava is to cut around the cassava and then you peel it. Then you strip it. So just like this. So you basically get underneath the skin of the cassava, which is a hard, thick layer of skin. And you have it stripped easily like that. Some people scrape it. I should have set the water on already, but it's okay because it doesn't matter if you put it in the hot water or the cold water. Put this one here and put the eggs in the back. And also some fine-tuned touch, like taking off the excess. I'm dicing the cassava, and I'm trying just to stay consistent on the sides that I'm cutting it. So there is a hard middle bone in the middle of the cassava, and I want to take that piece out, so I will just cut as near as possible to it on the 4 sides. This is what I'm talking, so I'll get rid of that. Another way we could cook the cassava and then remove the vein from inside. So now guys, I will turn my chicken. Just when I try to rotate it, it refuse to stay, but it's okay. Guys, cassava is a food that is very high in starch. You can even see the starch in the water, how the water gets white. If I leave it for some time, it will settle the starch in the bottom of the bowl. So now I'll just wash and I'll put it to the boiling water. To the cassava, I will add some salt. And also some butter, just a spoon of butter, a teaspoon rather. And I will set that to boil or cook. So now the chicken is already fried, like the first batch is already fried. I will remove the chicken from the oil. I just place the paper in the bottom so the oil will soak in this. So the paper will absorb all the extra oil. And guys, the cassava in its raw stage is kind of yellowish, whitish. But when the cassava is cooked, it's more of a yellow color. And that's one of the way you can know, without sticking it to know that it's soft, that's one of the way you can tell with your eyes that the cassava is cooked, because the color changed to a deeper yellow. So now the eggs finished cooking. I will try and cool them now in some cold water. I'll be using some green peas in the salad, but this peas, it's not cooked all the way through, so I will just get some of this, come on the fire. That's good. I'll tip a bit of salt, a little bit of butter to taste. So now guys, to go with my dinner, I will make a drink. So I will be making guava passion juice. So these are my passions. And I'll use 1 lemon. It's not much. I'll be using ginger as well, so I'm not going to peel the ginger, I'll just give it a wash. So the cassava is now cooked, so it turned yellow, and you can see that it's done because they start mashing even. So guys, last night I was cleaning out my storage place and decluttering a little bit, and I came across this Ninja that my daughter bought for me like 3 years ago, to be exact. 3 years ago Christmas, I get this from her for Christmas gift, and I didn't use it all because I forgot about it underneath there. So I am gonna be using it now. So this one, I will say goodbye to it for now. It's still good, but I will put it aside right now. So first I will cut these guava. Sweet. Don't know if I should take the seed out. Maybe not.
Come on for more from this. Slightly board from this way and pull over a blender. Blender pan the board. I don't see blender.
All right.
You have to cut the chicken now.
I'm going to continue with this.
Coconut water. You want to use the one in your fridge?
So this is Cool Runnings coconut water. I don't have a coconut tree outside, so I don't have the natural coconut water, so I will use this one. Oh my god, guys, isn't this easier? 3 years in the cupboard, not used. So now guys, I drained the cassava because I have to set it aside to have it cool so I can put all the other ingredients in. Passion smells so nice. I remember my mom used to plant passion in her garden. Today I'm using brown sugar for a sweetener because I think guava and brown sugar have a good combination of taste together. So I'll just use a spoon of brown sugar. Let me see the taste first. Okay, that's it. Now I'll set it in the fridge to have it cool. So now I will just start cutting up my ground provision for my sauce for the chicken. Even though I season with garlic also. Guys, this is the starch from the cassava water. This is the starch in the bottom of the bowl here. Now the oil is heated. I'll put all the ground provision in. So guys, for the sauce now I'm gonna use some ketchup and some hot mango sauce. This one is very spicy. But you know, Jamaicans, we love spice. And this is some pullet seasoning, chicken seasoning, just a little. And some sweet chili. Ouch. It's okay. I'll mix all of these together. And some black pepper. Then I'll add it to the pot. So you see the gravy is thick and nice. The chicken was fried in this same oil and it have the chicken taste because you know, the seasoning and everything from the chicken is still in this same pot. So this sauce is very nice. So this is the cassava. It's already cool. Now I'll add some green peas. And I will strip my boiled egg and add it. This is some corn medley. I will add this one. So in this is corn, peas and sweet pepper. I don't want to overpower it with the corn. And then I will add some mayonnaise. This one is the older one, so I'll finish this one first. And I'll add some dry parsley. Would add some onion, but I'm gonna grate the onion. Now I am going to be plating and of course eating. So I'm going to remove the inside part of the tomato. Put all that. Here you have it, guys. Finished product, all done. A lovely plate of fried chicken and cassava salad with some lettuce and avocado on the side. Hope you all like this video. Please remember, like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. I know maybe some of you guys prefer rice with fried chicken, but I also have another fried chicken with rice and peas video on my channel. I will link it down below so you can watch that one with the rice and peas also. But for preference, I personally didn't feel for rice and peas today. I feel to make the cassava salad. Guys, this is super nice. You should all try this at home. It's very delicious, very nice, very refreshing. However, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.